So today I'll be showing you how to make pimples cream. This is very effective. It's a very effective way to get rid of pimples on your face. So here I have my turmeric. As you can see, this is my turmeric. Turmeric helps to lighten blemishes, fights acne, reduces wrinkles, and lots more. I'm going to add in my turmeric. This is my 1.2 ml of turmeric. So I'll be adding it. And here I have my aloe vera oil. Aloe vera is very helpful in skin treatment. Aloe vera also has lots of skin benefits, and it helps get rid of pimples too. I'll be adding it. What I have here is 1 tablespoon, and this is my neem. This is neem oil. Neem heals scars, treats pigmentation, helps to control excess oil. It helps to treat skin infections. It also helps to fight acne. I'll be adding it. So now I'm going to mix it properly. This is a very nice way and natural way of getting rid of acne. If you wish, you can add maclean paste, or you can also add baking soda to make it more effective. So guys, I also have here my rebactin cream. Okay, I'll be adding it. Adding just a little, then I'll be mixing it. So here I have my pimple cream. This cream here will help you get rid of pimples, help you get rid of skin blemishes. If you have sunburn, this will also help you. Okay, it also helps with dark circle, because the turmeric added in this ingredient helps to get rid of dark circles. So use this morning and night. Okay, use this twice daily to get rid of those pimples from your face. So after mixing, you store it in your container. I hope this was helpful to you. Please do not forget to like my video. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.